So just taking a quick look at Polygon on our daily time frame right now, as you can see, looking like it is picking up off the lows as you would expect. Polygon, a very good crypto at reversing massively with lots of volume from the downside that we've been looking at. You can see here we get that lovely Burj Khalifa a few weeks ago where we basically had that huge push followed by a huge retracement, come down, forming these huge bullish divergences at the low as well. You can see we came down, tried to fill this wick pretty much, but then obviously, as you can see, broke out again of that previous resistance, back tested, and now looking like we're going to be trickling to the upside, forming this W double bottom pattern that I've been looking for. I've been talking about this basically ad nauseum for the past few weeks. Probably going to be heading up towards that 55 cent level at the 0.23 Fibonacci again. Obviously, we've also got that 100 moving average to contend with, but overall, I think there's much more chance of this going up than down. You can see here we've come down into this area of the bear market range low. Very likely to me that we start making our way back up through this structure over the next few months. Probably back up towards $1 would be the main target, a little 2x from the current price, and then getting back towards the all-time highs as we get into the final stages of the bull market for potential blow-off tops, heading to the upside, getting to new all-time highs for these big cryptos. Looking for probably $5 or $10 for Polygon, maybe a bit more depending on how far we go in terms of the pump for Bitcoin. Obviously, if Bitcoin doesn't really pump, we'll probably get back around all-time high, maybe a bit higher for a lot of these cryptos. If Bitcoin does have a massive pump, we could be looking at a huge move to the upside for these kinds of things. But right now, we're just chilling, and we're just waiting for that reversal that is inevitably going to come, in my opinion, from this current price action that we're seeing. Make sure to get a trading bot from the description below, and like and subscribe for more.